Before we slip into snail mode, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for entertainment and education only. We're not dermatologists and we're not telling anyone to smear gastropod goo on their face. Always check with your skincare professional before recreating ancient slime rituals at home. Let's talk about the goo that launched 1,000 moisturizers. Snail mucin, also known as snail slime, is hyped as the holy grail of skincare. TikTok loves it. K-beauty built a cult around it, but what is it really? And is it actually worth the ick factor? I tested snail slime facials for 72 hours using both store-bought products and a bizarre live snail spa experience. This is the weirdest hydration experiment we've done yet. Snail mucin is the slimy trail snails leave behind to protect and heal their skin. Sounds gross, but it's rich in goodies. Glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, zinc, and enzymes. Skincare brands claim it boosts hydration, fades scars, and calms inflammation. In ancient Greece, doctors used crushed snails to treat wounds. Today, it's bottled, purified, and layered into glowing routines. But the question remains, does it work? Or are we just falling for gastropod glam? For 3 days, I tested snail mucin like a confused skincare influencer. Day 1. Store-bought serum with 96% snail secretion filtrate. Scent. Neutral. Texture slimy but silky. Absorption. Surprisingly fast. Day 2. Full face cream layered like frosting. Result. Bouncy skin but a lingering moral dilemma. Day 3. The live snail spa. Yes, actual snails gliding across my face. Tickly cold. Slightly terrifying, but oddly calming. The snails were well cared for, and I survived with minimal existential dread. Dermatologists say snail mucin shows promise, especially for moisture retention, skin barrier repair, anti-inflammatory effects. But it's not magic. Results take time, and not all products are created equal. You want high percentages, clean formulas, and no weird additives. Also, snail secretion, filtrate, is just a fancy way to say snail slime after processing. No snails were harmed, just gently annoyed. After 72 hours of slime, my skin was smoother. Redness went down. Glow factor definitely increased. Breakouts none. Honestly, I get the hype. Even the live snail facial wasn't awful, just emotionally confusing. It felt like hugging nature with your pores. So is snail slime the skincare miracle people say it is? Not quite, but it is deeply hydrating, gentle, and kind of amazing if you can get past the mental image. And compared to some wellness trends we've tested, looking at you, salt flush, this one's actually legit. Bonus: no painful side effects, no onion socks, no regrets. Gastropods for the win. Curious about more weird but real beauty experiments? Hit subscribe and tap the bell.